Hi guys, first of all, happy 4th of July. It's just gonna be echoey. Now you're probably wondering, where are you? The location is top secret, but you can probably just guess, right? Right? But yeah, I don't know. I hate to tease, but I just feel like there are just baby steps to take with this whole process. And I knew Micah and I were going to, I hate that my bra's showing. Listen, like it's just a secret location, but like, you know the location, but do you? You know what I mean? You're probably so confused if you're watching me for the first time. I thought it would be fun. I knew I was gonna be here today and I wanted to do a haul, a Dollar Tree haul. So let's just go ahead and get into that. I found, look, have you ever seen me haul more composition notebooks in your life? So I'm just gonna show you guys all the patterns that I found. They're so cute. Now they don't have the, you know, the composition stamp, but not all composition notebooks need to have that little stamp. Really what makes it is like this black fabric binding kind of thing. Look how cute they are. It's very much giving Lisa Frank 80s. I'm absolutely here for it. I grabbed every single one. Look at this one. You know, this would have been the controller I would have used. You know what I mean? And then there's this one, the cute little, and then like just a fun, crazy looking one. But yeah, it's just a plain little notebook. And look who it's by. None other than Crown Jewels. And I feel like Crown Jewels really kind of has not made much of an appearance, not as much as I've seen them do. So I am very much shook by this. I'm hoping that means we're gonna see more Crown Jewels in the future. Then I found these cute little notebooks. They have like this front and then, yeah. So you can just kind of see, super adorable. The strawberry is my personal favorite. The star is cute too. It's very Dallas Cowboys and I'm here for that. So these two have to be my favorite. And then here are the other three, just so you can kind of like see them all in the same frame. Very fun, love it, $1.25. And this is by, it doesn't have the brand. I don't know if it's Jot or who, but there's that. Then I also found these. Now these say that they're Jot, so right there, look how cute they are. I found these three colors and they have this little piece, which is the color of the notebook. So how chic and like monochromatic is that, right? Love that they did that because they could have given us like white or something. But they're just a cute little notebook. Different, you know, it's just a different cut. It's fun, it's unique. So there's that. And then brand new stationery drop. I don't know if this is supposed to be like a back to school. I don't feel like it, but then I'm very much confused why this got dropped now. Like I'm here for it, but there's 4 different styles in this collection. So let me show you what I got. The little pencil pouches, and these are the collections you're gonna see. So you're gonna see Good Vibes Only, which has like the rainbow and the little daisy. Then we have All You Need Is Love. So you can see it's like a little pencil pouch. It's not lined on the inside. Then we have this one, which very much gives me Lisa Frank vibes, but it has like this little cow print detail, which is so cute. Very colorful. It says happy and magic, or you make your own magic. That's what that is. And then I'm very much surprised that they did this, but then they give us a more masculine one with like the sports. And I love that because I feel like with stationery, they can tend to do more feminine, which I get because like, you know, we're just more drawn to stuff like that, but it's fun to see this like little sporty theme. So these are the 4 themes that you'll see in the rest of this collection. So in the collection, they also have the paperclip set. So here's Good Vibes Only. So it all matches. Here is the sports, which they're calling League's Best. So cute. And then here is the love. All you need is love. And then here's the magic set. This is so exciting. Like all of these products. Then they have the matching pens. So these are all super cute as well. So here are the 4 pens. You're welcome to pause as well if you just need to take more time to look at them. They are multicolored. So here is the magic pen, so cute. All you need is love. Very pretty. The League's Best. Guess they went with the basketball on this one. And then the Good Vibes Only, where it says be kind with the little bee, which is so freaking adorable. Like, look at this. See how cute that little set is? And I'll show you guys the set like all together too. Like I'll do a clip at the end. Then they have these little notebooks. Now I'm missing one to the set. I'm missing Good Vibes Only. So it's like, I don't know like what this is supposed to be, like a little keychain / notebook. I mean, here is that. And then all you need is love, but it's so cute. Then they also did erasers. Now I'm missing all you need is love from the erasers, but I have Good Vibes Only, I have the magic, and I have the League's Best. So these are again erasers, which like I love when they give us a full collection. Then they have keychains, and I'm missing the League's Best of the keychain. And they are so cute. They have the little sprinkles on the inside and absolutely adorable. Then they have little sticky page flags. Luckily, I do have all 4 of them here. So I'll just kind of like rotate through these. The League's Best. Look at all those little flags. And then all you need is love. Not my favorite. All you need is love is probably my least favorite. The magic is really cute, and the Good Vibes I really like. So these are my top 2 personal favorites. And then they also gave us sticky notes. How cool would it have been to have gotten binders? Maybe there are binders, I don't know, comment down below. But here's Good Vibes Only. This little flower with the face is actually really adorable. And then they failed on this. Like they could have given us a basketball shape or a soccer shape, so I really don't know. I guess this has like a little, I don't know if they're supposed to be birds or what. And then the little magic one, so cute. And the last things are highlighters. Now I'll say this, the highlighters, while they are very adorable, I don't know that they make much sense. You'll see what I mean. Like, why do they look like that? Again, very cute, but like with everything that's, I don't know why the little people or whatever these are. But I was able to get the full collection. Obviously these 2 are the same colors and these 2 are the same colors. So there's clearly not a difference. Some of them are frowning, some of them are happy. I don't know. But all right, let me go ahead and grab like each little theme so we can kind of see them together. Okay, let's do the magic theme first. I don't even know, I should probably just do like, this just doesn't work, but like, here's all of the magic collection. And, oh no, there's just, look at that. So much to this collection, it's just kind of wild. Like, look at that. So super cute. I feel like I completed the magic collection if I'm right. Okay, now let's do the Good Vibes only. Now Good Vibes, I think I'm missing something, right? I think it was the little book. But other than that, I do have the full like Good Vibes collection. The packaging is so super stinking cute. So we got that whole collection. Now let's do the League's Best. The League's Best, I think I'm missing. What was it? The keychain. I have nails and I can't, like I literally can't pick this up. It's gonna take me, oh my gosh, literally, how do people do anything with nails? I'm so confused. So there's that, and then this. So I think I'm missing the keychain with this collection. But like how freaking cute is that? Then we have the All You Need Is Love. I will say my favorite thing in this collection is, which I think I'm missing quite a few pieces of this one, but the keychain is my favorite in the entire set of everybody. Like the keychain in this is my favorite thing. So anyways, that is it. I know I kept this haul a little bit small because I'm in a secret location, but secret, but not so secret. Coming soon, hopefully. Cause really I still don't know what's going on. I really don't. I wish I did, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.